Oil prices have rebounded after yesterday's rapid landslide. The ruble continues to move downwards against the US dollar, mainly due to the widespread strengthening of the US currency. The quotes have moved to the 65th figure. Saudi Arabia has restored full oil production previously affected by the drone attacks. This has triggered a new round of oil sell-offs. As a result, oil has dropped by almost 3% in one trade sessions. Brent oil has dropped by 8.7% by the end of the third quarter. Today, the quotes are rising moderately and trading at $59.38 per barrel. Today, market participants are focused on the upcoming trade talks between the US and China, scheduled for the first half of October. Traders expect a possible easing of the trade conflict. They hope that this should stop further weakening of the global economy and boost oil demand. As for the situation in the financial market, the ruble was trading sideways amid the oil decline despite the budget rule support. The Russian currency made an attempt to hit the support level of 65 rubles per dollar. The dollar-ruble pair opened the trade session on Tuesday with a steady growth, trading at 65.12 early in the day. In general, the ruble continues to follow the trajectory of the euro-dollar pair on Forex. Current week seems to be challenging both for the oil and the ruble. Nevertheless, the Russian currency still holds strong against the US dollar. The American currency started this year at 69.8 rubles, but then it retreated to 62.5 rubles by more than 10% in late June. Besides, the dollar has weakened significantly since early September when it reached the level of 67.1 rubles. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.